see how this. Ah! Oh, there you go. All right. Um, you work for Just Digital Media, right?
Yeah.
And um, uh, what what does Just Digital Media do?
We provide advice and training
Mm-hmm.
on anything to do with digital media,
Mm-hmm.
that's to say, still images,
Mm-hmm.
video, and audio.
Mm-hmm.
And we provide that advice for anyone who works in UK
Mm-hmm.
education.
Okay. And where are you based?
In Bristol, at
Oh.
Bristol University.
Ah, okay. Okay. All right. Thanks. Right. Okay. So Just Digital Media has a website. Am I right?
Yes.
Good. Okay. And what kind of stuff's on it? I mean, documents, blogs. What kind of stuff have you got?
We've got about 100 advice documents.
Mm-hmm.
We do have a blog,
Mm-hmm.
information about our training courses, and information about the mailing list and help desk.
Okay. Great. Thanks. So, Just Digital Media does training courses. Is that right?
That's right, yes.
What kind of things?
Well, we offer training in audio, video, and still images.
Mm. And what kind of stuff?
We've got some introductory Photoshop courses. We also have audio production and digitizing analog video recordings.
Is that it? Any others?
No, we've got,
yeah.
there's about 16 altogether.
All right. Good. Good. All right. Good. Wasn't. Ah! Turn the damn thing off. Um, could you tell me about Just Digital Media's Twitter feed?
Yes, we've been using Twitter for about 2 months now. We mainly use it to link people to our latest blog entries, but also to keep people up to date on the new advice that we've written on our website.
Sounds good. And also, can you say something about road shows?
Certainly. We've been touring the UK this month, visiting the RSCs at their summer conferences to spread the word about Just Digital Media to people working within the FE sector.
Okay. And what about training roadshows? The training courses. I've heard there's something planned for something.
Yeah, at the moment.
Oh, sorry, can you wait till I stop talking and then you commence? Okay.
At the moment, our training workshops are carried out here in Bristol, but we have plans to take them on the road and visit most parts of the UK.
Great. Thanks very much.
Just Digital Media was launched this year in February. We used to be known as TASI, Technical Advisory Service for Images, but our remit was expanded to include video and sound, hence the new name, Just Digital Media. We provide advice and guidance, support and training on anything to do with digital media, that's to say still images, moving images and sound resources, and that advice is available free to anyone working within further and higher education in the UK. The website has a number of advice documents covering all aspects of digital media. It also provides advice on our training courses. We have about 16 training courses which cover all aspects of digital media. We run basic and advanced Photoshop courses, courses on audio production, digitising analogue video recordings, on copyright, some basic scanning and digitisation courses. We have a new course using digital media in VLEs. We also have a blog which we use to provide updates on the latest advice documents that we've updated on the website. But we also use the blog to provide people with information on interesting stuff we've come across. Currently our workshops are all based here in Bristol, but we do have plans to take them on the road and run workshops around the country. We also have just launched Video Assist, which is a new project offering training and advice to people who are keen to use video in their teaching materials.